In this video, we're going to have a look at an example of how to calculate the distance between 2 points on a Cartesian plane. So the formula we need to use to calculate the distance is d is equal to the square root of x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. So using this formula, we'll be able to calculate the distance between the 2 points on the Cartesian plane. So let's have a look at an example. So we want to find the distance between the points 4 and -5 and 8 and 3. So the first step that I should do before completing my calculation is go through and label the coordinates. So 4 and -5 is going to be x1, y1, and 8 and 3 is going to be x2, y2. Now remember, it doesn't matter which order you label them in, as long as one set of coordinates are both labelled 1 and one set of coordinates are both labelled 2. So now that you have gone ahead and you have labelled your coordinates, you can start using the formula. So the first step is going to be to write the formula down, and that's going to be the square root of x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. So now we can go ahead and substitute in our values. So the distance is going to equal the square root of our x2 value minus our x1 value. So 8 minus 4 squared plus our y2 value minus our y1 value. So 3 minus -5 squared. So going ahead with our calculations, that is going to equal to the square root of, and then 8 minus 4 is 4. So 4 squared plus 3 minus -5 is 8. So it'll be plus 8 squared. And that is going to equal to the square root of 4 squared plus 8 squared is 80. So the distance is equal to the square root of 80, which is 8.94 units. So using my formula, I've been able to calculate the distance between the 2 points in the example, and the distance is 8.94 units.